So here, welcome to this another episode with me, Arshi. I hope you guys are doing good. और इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं top MBA colleges, right? Application deadlines through CAT. So let's start. So welcome back to this episode and we'll start this episode with the very first set of colleges जहाँ पे हम JAMS Goa की बात कर रहे हैं जिसकी last date है 15th of January. That means I am shooting this episode on 13th of January. Till Monday you have time to apply for JAMS Goa where the average package is 14,87,000. The cutoff is 85 percentile in CAT. Followed by FOR, which is in New Delhi, right? 31st January is the last date to apply for this specific college, and iska bhi average package is 14,50,000. For the colleges which are there in this list, the cutoff is near about 85 percentile. Then we have KG Somaiya, which is in Mumbai, right? And Somaiya की बात करें तो पहले ये CAP counseling के through students को मिलता था, but अब कहीं ना कहीं they have their own set of admission processes. इसकी last date apply करने की 18th of January है. That means आपके पास सिर्फ कुछ ही दिन का time कहीं ना कहीं बचा है और average package 12,32,000 का है. Moving to the next set of colleges, we have Tapni Manipal with the last date of 31st January. Then followed by IMI Delhi with 28 January and NIBM Pune with 20 March. NIBM Pune के applications दोबारा open नहीं होते हैं. So if you are either writing CMAT also and you wanted to target NIBM through CAT, that CMAT, make sure to apply for it. The average package is 15,22,000. Whereas if we talk about the average package of Tapni and IMI is 17,20,000, which is quite comparative to IMT Ghaziabad, and talking about the average package of Manipal, which is 14,06,000 rupees, right? Annually, it's not monthly. We have SDA Bokuni, और SDA Bokuni की भी वैसे भी dates बार-बार आती हैं. If you want, you can apply बाद में भी also, but अभी they have the last date 22 January. They're claiming 14.30 lakh average package, but there is fluctuation. So you can re-verify it. Then we have Zyme Bangalore, 26 March is the last date to apply. But they also open window throughout the year many times, so you have a lot of time to apply for. Then we have UBS Chandigarh, which is a college known for ROI. The fee structure is very less. Average package is 13,72,000. And for this, you need to have a cutoff of near about 90 percentile in CAT. 2nd February is the last date. You can have a look, the fee structure is just so low. Followed by, there are so many average colleges, which IBA 27 January, I think इनके applications भी throughout the year open होते हैं. Voxen 13 January mention है, throughout the year open रहते हैं. BIM Trichy 31st January, they have their applications open throughout the year. और भी बहुत सारे colleges हैं जिनके applications open हैं. But अगर आप अपनी profile के हिसाब से जानना चाहते हैं आप कौन से colleges के लिए apply करें and do you get any coupons for all these colleges, नीचे फॉर्म का लिंक दिया है जिसको फिल करके आप डिटेल्स ले सकते हैं. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.
I hope you like this video. For more such videos, keep watching our channel
And do not forget to like, share and subscribe.